you doing on there, baby? Is that a car? Are you going for a ride? Huh? It sounds he's been playing on this for the past probably 10 minutes. Huh? See him just hanging out in the car seat base. It's like a little car for him. Huh? Is it a car? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where'd brother go? Hey. You gonna go for a ride with you? Huh? We were gonna get rid of that thing, but I don't know if we can. I think that's your new favorite toy. Huh? You gonna move it around? Take your doggy for a ride. Oh yeah, there we go. Get the legs in it. Guess we moved on to something else. Did we put the tree up last night? Everybody see the big Christmas tree? Looks pretty, huh? Oh yeah? Oh, you want the pen out of there? Mama help you. What are you looking for? You want the pen? Mama help you. Say please. Say please. There you go. Say thank you. Say thank you. Yeah. Are you going to draw? What are you going to draw, buddy? Yeah. You say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. 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 And then, mwah. Couple kisses. Mwah. Bye-bye. Okay, maybe just a wave. Mwah. Say bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye. Okay. See you later.